Unbox my new set from Dreamers Club. This is actually a Christmas present from my parents, but it didn't arrive on time for Christmas, so now I get Christmas a few days late. Alright, I'm so excited about this. There's their little logo. It's so cute. Okay, ready? This is the hoodie. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. And then now we got the matching shorts. Uh-oh, I got stuck. There we go. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna try them on. It is huge. Oh my gosh, but this set is so cute. And then there's the design on the back. This is so cute, and I love the color of it. Oh my gosh. Material is so thick and nice. I love the feeling of this, and it's fleece lined on the inside, so super soft. But yeah, here's my late Christmas present that I was super excited about.